Next, we need to discuss the next topic, that is need for management of natural resources. Now, here we need to discuss that all the things that we use and consume, they are generally obtained from natural resources. But due to the increase in population, due to the increase in the number of industries, which is called as industrialization, and urbanization, as you can see, more and more rural areas are turning into urban areas. More and more facilities are being provided to us. We are getting more facilities. So the demand for the natural resources is automatically increasing. So since the demand for the natural resources are increasing, but their availability is limited. Now you had say 5 gram of coal in one place, but the population there has increased many times, but the coal is still 5 grams. So obviously the demand is increasing, but the availability is the same. It is limited in nature. So automatically there will be shortage of natural resources. So if you want to deal with the shortage of natural resources, if you want to use the natural resources in a proper way, you have to keep these following 4 points in mind. The first point is judicious use of natural resources. That means you should use your natural resources very properly so that there is no wastage of natural resource. Then only you will get natural resources for the future. You may be able to use it for a longer period of time. Secondly is long-term planning. You should use your natural resources in such a way so that it is not only available to you, but also available for the generations to come, for the future generations also. For that we need to use the long-term planning procedure. The third is the natural resources should not be used by only a few people. That only the rich can use the natural resources, the poor cannot use the natural resources. Such should not be the case. The natural resources should be available equally for all, whether he is rich or he is poor. So the natural resources should be available for the benefit of all sections of society. The last is, while we extract and use the natural resources, we should also plan for its disposal. Many people use the natural resource but do not plan for its disposal. Once you use a particular thing, it is very important, you should always think that how to dispose it. So proper measures should be taken so that while we use the natural resources, we plan for its disposal so that we are not causing any harm to the environment.